So we've just ran an event, Freedom Formula Intensive, and some of the guys upgraded onto the E Academy, which is all of our training programs. And you know what? When people register for the E Academy, I like to call them up and just say congratulations.
Oh, Samuel, how you doing?
Dude, I got your address in Dagenham. I tell you what, you don't have another deal. I have every good reason to come knock you out, bro. So I've been calling some people up. Made about 20 calls today.
Hello?
Yeah, I know you're scared and you're hanging up and stuff, but
Not sure what happened, why I cut out. Just give me 4 weeks and it's there, I promise.
but some of the guys didn't answer, so I'm gonna drive to their houses right now and just gift them personally the E Academy starter pack and congratulate them for going on the course. So let's go to the house and surprise them. Samuel Leeds, property millionaire and postman today.
It's just, I don't understand how things are changing so quick. It's just, I don't know, you're so real. Like anything you say, even little, every advice, it seems cliche. I was saying to them, sometimes some of you guys, I heard the things you told me, I didn't want to listen. So I know, guess I wouldn't do this. I know, I'll do my way. And then I realized when I apply the things you guys said, they really work.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
You have to.
That's great. I'm so glad. And honestly, you know, you've been selling deals and getting some success. So I just thought I had to swing by. I didn't get hold of you. So I thought I'm going to go to London, drop off your E Academy parcel, and then I'll go home and have some dinner. Yeah. Oh, you got Alistair's book.
Oh my God, you have all your books here.
Whatever it takes. Oh, amazing.
And all your books, yeah.
Oh, and my book. Oh, good. That's
I need
great.
to look at them a minute.
That's so good.
And,
Right?
yeah,
Well,
your things are always here, like that. Yeah. Oh, they're on my chair.
oh, I like how you're on the
yeah.
on the computer looking at deals.
Like,
Oh, look at this.
oh, it's calculator, tape measure.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Well, I need to say thank you for being a customer, and we're believing in you all the way. So,
Oh my God,
congratulations.
I think I really want to be one of the ladies because
Yeah,
I
amazing.
realized when I saw the evictions, like,
Yeah.
come on, ladies.
I know.
Stop your
I
game.
know, yeah.
Because they complain. Sometimes I come from a really male world, like in south of Italy. That's why I love London. There was more opportunities because ladies, it just, you know, they stay home and if you're ambitious, again, like you said.
But you know
So
what?
I want
Next
to
time I see you, instead of it being at your house, it'll probably be at my house for a wins on a Wednesday.
Yeah,
So
this is my target because my little nieces, they were saying this summer, I think it was because of them, they're like the little kids here.
Oh,
They
yeah.
were saying about they want to do charity and things, I was
Good.
telling what you do. And then all the adults like, oh, just shut up, like, you know, it's like,
Yeah.
you get the job. It's like, no, it's not like this, they can do more. There are
Yeah.
other things they can do. So
Yeah.
I said, I have to prove for them, I have to show them.
Good.
Because like you say, when you say, but when you prove it, then they start to
That's right.
listening. Your investment and then the money, the cash flow, you got.
Yeah.
And then you gave me some the big advices. I said, oh, I have these deals, how do I sell them? And you told me, go in these groups, don't just go groups of property, go in groups like, put names like Millionaire Money Finance, and just people, everyone who's got money, and I talk to them, do network, don't be hard selling. Everything you said, I know when I say to other people, younger students, they might say, I invested just a few thousand, I don't know what people think is so expensive, and making this money. I mean, while we were on the crash course, I keep receiving thousand in my bank account. I went to the cash point and printed the receipt just to look at myself. I put it in my car. The receipt of the bank balance, I said, 1 week ago it was much lower. How is possible?
That's amazing.
I took a screenshot. It's going. How is possible? Just going up every day, like.
Amazing.
Yeah, let's go. Fair enough. Some, you know, we have
And
to see.
so you sold 4 deals.
I didn't count it because it's like. That's why when you ask me how much, honestly, one was 2,900, one 2,599, one 2,000, and the other one actually I got an investor now. The big development in London.
Oh,
So
okay.
that is 15,000, and I give a part because I need support. It's too many phone calls. I'm maybe overwhelmed. That's why today was great. The formula. I need to structure now. It's okay. The beginning you just do it. Where
This is going to be your year. So keep up the good work.
yeah, exactly.
Thank you for your positive energy all the time. And yeah, I'll see you around.
And then everything to offer.
Oh, don't worry, Tom. Don't worry. I'm going to go have my dinner now.
Oh, this is my house. It was very small, but it was
Yeah.
really like bad. So I was hoping to find a way to refinance because the money
Good.
from here, I don't like to buy more. Because I
Yeah,
have to buy
yeah.
at least 2 for this year.
Nice.
I think it's actually.
Hey, thank you so much.
All
All right, I'll see you real soon. Thanks for the.
I thought there was people robbing me of my neighbors. it's really safe. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
It's not too, the car's not too far. See you real soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Love you guys. Thank you, Amanda. Thank you, everyone.
Well, I think she was happy. Well, I think she was happy to see me. What do you reckon, Darwin?
Guys, I'm shaking. I cannot tell you. I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you. I can't breathe. I'm okay. I'm okay. I just I had a surprise visit at my house. I cannot. I just keep crying and shaking. Oh my god. You will not. Oh my god, so happy. I'm so happy. Okay. It all starts at the crash course. Yes, it's true. It's true. To all the trolls, it all starts at the crash course. This is real. My life and my best friend's life is changing from here to here to here to here 20 times.
Hello.
Oh, hi, Samuel. I'm fine. Thank you for the call.
You're so welcome. I'm actually
Yeah.
just calling to say congratulations for registering onto the E Academy.
Oh, thank you. Personal call. That means a lot to me.
Oh well, no, you're so welcome.
Yeah.
Are you excited about the journey?
Very, very excited. I'm smiling from ear to ear, actually. You know, because I know that from the little bit of insight that I've had, an experience I've had with joining the 265.
Yeah.
It's literally it's like I feel my hands being held.
Yeah. Is this Merlin's house?
Yeah. You know?
Okay, cool. Is she in?
Yeah, I'm really excited and I'm pumped.
Yeah.
Seriously. Yeah.
Oh, that's really, really good. Well, I've told my team about you guys, and they've got a parcel for you and stuff as well. So enjoy. I'm on the phone to her. She has no idea I'm here. That must have been her husband or something. Hey! Congratulations!
When my husband was saying, oh, they're outside, I said, what are you talking about? Wait, I was speaking to her on the phone.
I didn't think you were in actually because I pressed the buzzer a few minutes ago.
Yeah.
So I thought, oh, I'll just phone her up instead. So I tried to phone you in, I couldn't get through, so I thought, forget it, I'm gonna come around the
I
house.
can't believe it. Wow.
Yeah. But anyway.
But it's lovely to meet you.
You
in
too.
person.
Yeah,
Wow.
you too. Lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
It was a great day today.
It was fabulous. It was
Yeah.
just like really, really exciting and all these sort of like tips. I'm looking forward to really sort of getting
Yeah,
stuck in.
you're gonna love it.
Yeah.
Well, in there, it's just a little something. You've got some books and things like that in there.
Oh, wow.
But you'll get all your manuals and contracts taken in the post.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
anything you need, give us a shout.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Right. See you soon. So that's it. You order from me, you become a customer of mine. I might just turn up at your house. Who knows?